What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits today, number 122. So today, I did this a little while ago. I just did a whole episode just for them because they have some fantastic schnapps. So we're going to revisit the Vole Schnapps, the Apple Strudel from Elder Brothers. Elder Brothers and Wycliffe. Fantastic Hungarian family, I believe. Let's just say European. Pretty sure Attila is Hungarian. Pretty sure. But they make these fantastic schnapps. They have this massive elderberry farm as well. They've got a whole bunch of elderberry and elderflower schnapps as well. Their apple strudel, though, is just this weird one. And growing up, I always enjoyed, so it's just apple juice, cinnamon sticks, and 30% alcohol. As a kid growing up, I remember living in a place for a little while, like 3 or 4 years, and there was this bakery down the street. They had these beautiful little, like, apple danishes, apple strudels. And it was always a treat once a week for lunch at school. We'd get one of these, and this would be like our big treat for the whole entire week as kids. And so apple strudel has a very nice spot in my heart. So schnapps, what you ask schnapps are? Schnapps are German, Austrian, Hungarian. They're sort of, they can be eau de vie-esque, but usually they're just a flavored, high alcohol sort of liqueur almost. They can be dry, they can be sweet. They're very, very different. But schnapps is something that you would drink cold or like neat. You shoot it back or you sip on it. It's more of a cultural spirit than most things, in a way that each individual little village has a different style of schnapps. Might be peach schnapps made from peaches, which is more like an eau de vie. But schnapps in general is more about this sort of like mid to high alcohol. Can be sweet, can be dry, can be whatever you really want it to be. Man, on the palate, it really is just apple strudel. Like the label says everything. Beautiful stewed apple strudel. Nice spice. The alcohol is just in the back here. Just really, really tasty. How would I serve this up? I would chuck it in the fridge, serve it cold, and drink it with apple pie. Or serve it cold and pour it over your ice cream, like on an apple pie. Yes, just double down the apple pie. So apple pie, vanilla ice cream with this drizzled over the top. You got yourself set up. Okay, so that's number 122. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.